Through the chaos, they keep us strong. A quiet strength like steel, wrapped in silk, pouring love like honey in a glass of milk. No cap, they're the glue in our world. Every man blessed by his widow's girl. Widow sons, ladies, queens of the night, guiding our path when we lose sight. Loyal and fierce, they ride or die. We're lucky, so lucky, no need to ask why. They light the way when the road gets dark. Their fire burns like a shooting spark. No crown needed, their royalty still. Got our backs when we're climbing the hill. Through every storm, through every fight, they're our